Hello, my name is Faradilla Putri from the Psychology Program Study to present regional language in Indonesia. Okay, before a broader discussion, I will ask first, how many languages are there in Indonesia? Okay, I will give brief information before answering the question that Indonesia is the fourth most populous country as in the following table. And then not only as the fourth most populous country in the world, but Indonesia is a country, the largest island in the world. Indonesia will have 70,000 islands, but not only 7,000 islands are inhabited. So the answer is 718. There are 718 indigenous languages in Indonesia. Then the regional language speakers are mostly held by first Japanese, second Sunda, third Melayu. And now here I will explain in more detail about the three languages. The first one I discuss is Japanese language. Japanese has been in existence since the 19th century but is still in the form ancient Japanese that with the age of the new Japanese in the 15th century. Japanese is the native language of the Javanese people in Indonesia, especially in Central Java, Yogyakarta, East Java, and the surrounding areas. Javanese is spoken by 6 countries, namely the Republic of Suriname, Singapore, Malaysia, the Netherlands, and New Caledonia, and next. Sunda language. Sundanese language has existed since the 14th century. Sundanese language of itself is shortened to BS. Sundanese is the language used by people in the West Java region, especially in Cirebon Regency. Therefore, the Sundanese language is called the Cirebon language by the local community. Sundanese language also has various dialects, including Pleret dialect, Gegesik dialect, Plumben dialect, and Jaware dialect. Melayu language. Indonesia comes from the Melayu language, which is used as a language to communicate with one another. Therefore, the Melayu language is called lingua franca in the archipelago. Melayu is an Austronesian language which is a branch of the Sundanese and Sulawesi tribal language. Melayu language is also known as simple and flexible language because it is used as the language of the archipelago and was inaugurated on October. Why does Indonesia have many regional languages? This is because Indonesia is an island nation of many islands, and each island certainly has its own cultural and language. How do you want to communicate between on trip on another even though each trip use different regional language? While Indonesia has many tribal language, it can communicate in national language or the mother tongue. On the other hand, not only Indonesia has regional language, but several countries also have it, although not as much as Indonesia. Some tribal have much in common with the official language of their country. Example, Gutniz, a native language of Gotland, is related to Swedish. It is recorded that there are at least 56 countries studying Indonesian in June 2019. And as more and more countries learn Indonesian, Indonesian can become an international language. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!